Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to check your hometown on Facebook using your PC, with the new updates rolled out recently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Facebook account. Navigate to the Facebook homepage and enter your login credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your newsfeed. Next, click on your profile picture at the top left corner of the page. This will take you directly to your profile, where all your personal information is displayed. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Details option right beneath your profile photo. Click on this to access your profile details, where you can see various aspects of your life, including your hometown. Finally, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Hometown. Here you can check your hometown information as it appears on your profile. If you want to make any changes, you can easily edit it from this section too. And there you have it. Checking your hometown on Facebook is that simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.